This is 10 easy clean hacks. Use your Riffer Swiffer to clean your walls. Use a rolling pin to clean hair off your furniture. Use vinegar water, a plastic bag, to clean your shower head. Use vinegar and soda to clean your stove. Use vinegar water to clean your kettle and your coffee pots. Use vinegar and lemons to clean out your microwave. This is a good way for you to sterilize your sponge in the microwave. Put some dishwater in the bowl with some soap and clean your rings. Pour some soapy water into your blender and blend it.